Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1953 Ford F100. Super cool truck, man. Bought this from a buddy down in Tennessee. Really nice truck, 4,000 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Pretty color combination. It's a silver metallic. It's got a two-tone black and red interior. Super cool pickup truck, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, all steel body. Like I say, pretty color combination. Completely documented frame-off restoration build. And really just a cool truck, man. Pretty paint combination. You see it's got the custom roll pan on the rear, 18 and 20 inch American racings all the way around it, four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a Heidt front subframe on it, Mustang 2 style front subframe with tubular upper and lower control arms. So the truck runs, drives down the road, outstanding, which it should. You can see it's lowered all the way around, so it sits down a little bit. Just got a real good look to it. It's got the flip front end, which we'll show you that here in a second. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck. You can see a couple little scratches in the paint, some little stone pecks, thing like that. But nice truck. Truck was actually built, it was finished in 2014. Again, 4,000 miles on it. Automatic AOD, automatic overdrive transmission. I know the wipers work. They've converted those to electric. Really just a cool truck, man. Too much sunshine, man. I can't get my camera to focus here. Tinted the back glass. It's got that like sunshade tinting on the front. Oak bed. Again, the truck's all steel. This is everything on the build. Even right down to the pictures. Even kind of went through and wrote down. I think he said $72,000 is what he spent building this truck. It's got the teardrop Frenched tail lights. I saw a couple little scratches on the bed as we kind of walked through it. Truck's got a good stance, man. Really looks good. I like the roll pan in the rear. Full disc brakes. The chrome exhaust tips there. It's got the step side, or the little step chrome piecing there in Ford. That's what I'm talking about. I guess I don't know. The little step plate, I guess is what you'd call it. It's got the slotted and drilled rotors on the front. It's all CPP disc brake system in it. I like this truck a lot. It's just got a good look to it. 302 cubic inch engine. It's got a Lunati camshaft in it. You can see it's got a Holley 4-barrel on it. Aluminum intake. Does have a real nice set of headers on it. If you look down there again, all Heidt Mustang 2 front suspension on it. It's a Mustang 2 style suspension. Tubular upper and lower control arms. Power racket pinion steering. Does have the front sway bar. Aftermarket AC. You can see the aluminum radiator with electric fan. There's that flip front end. Really, I mean, one person, two-man operates it. It's nice. It's that wind, Jordy. There's nothing you're going to be able to do. Again, CPP disc brake, four-wheel disc brake system. I like the finned aluminum air cleaner and valve covers. Automatic AOD overdrive transmission. I haven't put a ton of miles on it, but when I first jumped in it, I, you know, put 3-4 miles on it. Good running and driving truck, man. Nice and tight. Mirrors are nice, and they you can use them. I mean, they actually, you know, some of these mirrors, those are, if you notice, they're pretty big, so you can actually see out of them. A lot of these mirrors, to be honest, that they put on these old trucks are about worthless. I like the interior. I like that the red with the black. It's comfortable too. Headliner is done. It's got a really nice wood steering wheel in it. He used the factory gauges, which I thought was cool. 4,049 miles. That's on it since the build. There's your aftermarket AC box. The radio's in the glove box. Again, Flowmaster style dual exhaust. It's chambered dual exhaust. It is a 10-bolt 373 limited slip rear end. And it's leaf spring rear suspension. I'll have you grab this in 1 second before we take off. Again, here's a little write-up that he did on it with everything that he built it. Did to the truck, and then, like I say, you go right back down to the, if I can get it to work here, the pictures of the build on the truck. It's pretty cool. It's nice when we get this stuff because we really don't get it all the time. Take it out. We'll just set it inside until start. Truck's nice underneath, but you can definitely tell he drove it. That's what he said. He built this truck to drive. If I remember correctly, the gentleman who built this truck was actually a retired engineer. It's the wind, man. Playing havoc on our video here. Seat's nice. It's like that ultra leather, and then of course the inserts, I don't know, like a vinyl netting. It's pretty cool. It's got the old Ford V8 logo in the center there. Again, it's got the aftermarket radio in there, mounted in the in the glove box here with the remote. AC blows cold. You can go ahead and fire it up, Jordy. I'll tell you, these handles, man, they're nice too because they're big. They're very usable. And then the big mirrors are nice too. Jordy just kicked your air on. On again, Jordy. There you go. See here, it does blow cold. And like I say, this thing is nice. It's very user friendly. Something must be about that silver paint, man. Although the sun, we finally got some sun. It's popping off of it. Gauges are all functional. You can hear the radio in there working. LED tail lights. Radio works, of course your box and everything works. You got the remote. Doors open and close, nice. They've converted those wipers to electric, that's nice. I like the front grills on these 53s. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Should be a little button that pops up. That way you can get a notification every single time I post one of these videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Like the LED teardrop taillights, those are cool. Man, I love trucks. I love this color. That silver on this truck just pops. Four-wheel disc brakes, air, AOD. This truck's loaded with options.